today, and this story is about animals. And the story is called Animal Babies, and this is by Bobbie Hamsa. And in today's story, I want you listening for the setting of the story. If you remember, the setting of the story is where the story takes place. Are you ready? This is a good one. A baby cat is a kitten. A baby dog is a pup. A baby deer is a fawn until he's all grown up. A baby pig is a piglet. Look at the little piglets. A baby horse is a foal. A baby cow is a calf until she's 1 year old. A baby owl is an owlet. A baby fish is a fry. A baby kangaroo is a joey until he's 3 feet high. A baby rabbit is a bunny. A baby bird is a chick. A baby sheep is a lamb. A baby beaver is a kit. A baby lion is a cub. A baby bear is 2. A baby goat is a kid. And so are you. Did you like that story today? Did you guess what the setting was? Was the setting our classroom? No. Was the setting on a bus? No. Was the setting outside where animals live? Yes, you got it right. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll check back with you in a little bit, and we'll do another book. Bye-bye.